Joining us from Liberty Lake, Washington, please welcome the Ridgeline Regiment. Ridgeline's program tonight is entitled More to Me and features the following selections. Rocky's Fanfare from Rocky by Bill Conti. On the Waterfront from Leonard Bernstein. Survivor from Destiny's Child by Beyonce. Anthony Dent and Matthew Knowles. Going the Distance from Rocky by Bill Conti. The Ridgeline Regiment is excited to explore and celebrate the challenges and obstacles we all face in our unique encounter with what we call life. We may not all fight in a boxing ring or an octagon, but we certainly all face fears, challenges, and trials we oftentimes feel unprepared for. Whether it's to fight for overcome a health crisis, to endure financial hardship, or even to discover the makeup of our own identity, More to Me shines the mirror on our champion within all of you and all of us. We hope you'll see your own reflection, your own personal victories, when we all discover there is more to me, more to you, more to all of us than just our victories and our losses. We hope you feel like a champion of the world by the end of our program. You deserve it. Spectacle of Sound, are you ready?
Newell and Merrick Stewart. Are your fighters ready? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. Live from the sold-out stadium at Ridgeline High School in Liberty Lake, Washington, USA. It's time!
Look, if you had one shot to seize everything you ever wanted, would you capture it or just let it slip?
Introducing first, out of the green corner, performing their 2023 program, More to Me. Fighting out of Liberty Lake, Washington, USA, presenting our challenger, the Ridgeline ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
And now, champion of the world, the Ridgeline